Right, going to do a little video of how to remove a point with a rivet gun. For this you may need rivet gun, dart, rubber mallet and a pair of pliers. You can see I've got a couple of washers there, we'll come to that in a second. If I put this down so I'm holding my phone, it's a bit awkward. Start off by removing the collar, or the collar in the end. Right. Put the dart in the... Oh, this is awkward. In the end of the rivet gun. Right, sorry, right in the end there. Now you want it sticking out fraction because you'll need the pliers, and you use the wire stripper part of the pliers. You get it, this just acts as a stop on the dart. You just put it there, you don't grip it, you just put it there nice and soft. What I'm going to do, I haven't tried this before, I have heard of people using a 2p with a small hole, just big enough to take the point, and put it over. So didn't have time to sort that out, but I did find a washer that the dart won't pass through, and it sits nicely like so. So get the rivet gun, squeeze, not easy doing one-handed. This always takes me 2 goes. Let's just line that up for the second one, and hopefully the point will fall out. So I've got the point left in the rivet gun. Dart flew out. There's the barrel, minus point. So I'll just stick that there. There's the point. Now I'm going to use the pliers just to pull or not the point out of the rivet gun. What I actually like on here, if I can find it, leave some little grooves in there, so it makes them like a gripping point. Now to put the dart point back in, I'm going to use the same one again. This is an old set of darts, so I'm actually going to use the collar